Today we're gonna hang a hammock inside the house.
Yeah!
We only need a few things.
Yeah, I got it.
You definitely need a stud finder. I don't have one. I usually just use the knock on the wall to find a stud technique.
I did it!
Awesome.
I'm gonna hide it somewhere else.
We're gonna need to drill a slight hole in the wall.
Slide.
This is what we're using to hang on the wall. So I think I'm gonna use this to just drill a hole in the wall. This is a lot smaller, but I don't wanna make it too big because I don't wanna mess up. So I'm just gonna stick this in here. Am I going the right way? Going the wrong way. Yay! So you also need a ladder, but I don't have one. I don't know why I don't have one. I'm gonna use a chair.
Hi kids, I'm Hulk.
I'm gonna look for a location right around there and right above the curtain somewhere. This is where I feel like there's a stud. I'm just gonna mark that area. The roof is on fire. Ooh, big hole here. I wonder how.
Hi, we got this on film. You see my mom over there? He's knocking on the wall. To see if the wall is good.
Okay, so I think I have found the spot. I hope, because I done messed up my wall already. This feels like a stud because it's not going in easily.
That's not Mom.
Okay, so now I gotta try to stick this in there. You guys are so far. Got my bolt. Okay, so maybe I should move this.
Don't hurt yourself, Mama.
This is not gonna be easy, but this is definitely the spot. Ah! I grabbed anything I could. we wrote wrench on it because Eli plays with this. But this is from like a closet rack thing, but we're using it to twist this thing around because it's really hard.
Yep, we're using the wrench.
But it's working. Yay, it's in there. Ooh. Eli, can you pass me one side of the hammock with the rope on it? I don't know what I'm doing with the tying part. I put the double loop in here. This part is gonna now go in here, like that. And I think I'm gonna put this in there. Looks good to me. I'm gonna tie it now, like just somehow tie it. Okay, I'm gonna put my whole weight on it. Pray for me, guys. Oh!
Comment down below. Think it's gonna break or not.
Okay, I think the rope is good. I'm gonna do the other side.
That gonna break.
Basically just do the same thing. So far, I have one side up and a bunch of holes on this side.
And a bunch of holes on the other one.
So future video is gonna be about drywall repair.
Oh, my little baby. Guy, I can use that rope so I can climb it.
Lift yourself up.
Hopefully you can help me.
So many freaking holes.
One time,
Ooh. Okay. All right, we got the other side up. Eli's testing it. You like your hammock? Go to sleep. We are finished and now we have a hammock in the house. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you, Mommy.
You absolutely need a stud finder unless you're like a pro. I'm not a pro. I usually have luck with it, but I did not have such luck today. So I got like 9 extra holes in my wall. All right, guys, for more information, look in the description below. You'll see links for hammocks, a link for the bolts that you need to put into the wall. What else do we need?
Nothing. Guys, this is how you get on the hammock. Your butt on first. Ooh.
Okay, bye.
Bye! Peekaboo.
that subscribe button. Smash that like button, hit 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 that subscribe